Hi, I'm Marlo Perdikas, park biologist with Summit Metro Parks.
And I'm Jason Whittle, park biologist with Summit Metro Parks. Thanks for joining us for our At Home in Nature series. Today we would like to talk to you about our favorite mammal, bats.
Bats are amazing creatures. They are mammals that can fly. They are nocturnal and are fierce insect predators, making them an important part of the health of our ecosystem.
Summit Metro Parks has been studying bats for nearly 20 years, which is one of, if not the, longest running bat study in the state. We have been monitoring caves where bats hibernate, which are called hibernacula, during the winter since about 2003. More recently, we've actually discovered bats overwintering in non-traditional locations, like rock outcroppings, crevices, and even rock piles. We collect data on these overwintering bats, like ambient rock and body temperature, as well as locations, so that we can continue to monitor and protect them in their habitats. Bats in North America have been ravaged by a new fungal pathogen in recent years, which afflicts them with a disease known as white nose syndrome. This disease has killed millions of hibernating bats since 2007 and has been in Ohio for about 8 years. But populations are starting to show small signs of resistance and recovery. In this video, you may have noticed some of Metro Parks researchers wearing Tyvek suits, and that is to reduce the chances of spreading white nose syndrome to potentially unaffected populations.
Summit Metro Parks has also studied bats during their maternity season. Bats will typically use trees with cavities, cracks, or exfoliating bark to raise their young. Some bats also use artificial structures like bat houses, barns, and attics. Biologists capture and release bats during the summer to understand their distribution, behavior, and health status.
Most times we ban them for recapture studies, and occasionally we will attach radio transmitters to find out foraging ranges or activities.
While it requires professional experience and specific permits to study bats in these ways, you can help study bats too. Summit Metro Parks participates in a state program called the Ohio Bat Maternity Roost Project. Volunteers count bats existing in artificial structures in June and July each summer. The data is collected and turned in online. This citizen science program helps us and state biologists to monitor bat populations on a large scale.
You can help conserve and protect bats too. Consider leaving trees with dead or dying limbs standing so that bats and other wildlife can use them. Maybe you offer a water source at your home for wildlife, maybe plant native plants. Native plants encourage healthy insect populations, which help our bats tremendously. Support Summit Metro Parks as we continue our long-term study of local bats.
If you know of a bat maternity colony, please consider participating alongside us in the Ohio Bat Maternity Roost Project. You may have a maternity colony in your outbuilding or a bat house. This project is easy and fun. We can help you get started by answering your questions.
Thanks for joining us for At Home in Nature. For more content like this, please visit us at summitmetroparks.org or find us on your favorite social media platform.